In this video, I will show you how to connect TikTok account to Facebook. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. After you open your phone, go to your TikTok account. After you open your TikTok account, all you have to do, come to your profile and tap on this edit profile and tap on this username. So all you have to do now, copy your username for TikTok account. So I'll just tap on my username and copy it. After you copy your username, all you have to do now, close your TikTok app, go to your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, tap on your profile icon. After you open your profile icon, tap on this edit profile. Scroll to down bottom and tap on this section where it says add link. This one. Under this add link, as you can see here, it says add social link. So tap on this to choose your social link. So tap on this platform. So in bottom, select TikTok. After you select TikTok, now paste in your username in this section. Type in your username in this section where it says username. I'll just now type in my username. So make sure you type in your username correctly the way it is on your TikTok account. So after you type in your username, all you have to do is just tap on this button. So now tap on this save button. So now go back. So as you can see now, here is now your TikTok app, your TikTok username. So now if you want to know how it works, all you have to do now, let's go and test it. Now tap on this back arrow, tap on this three dot, tap on this view as. So if you scroll to down, as you can see now, here is now my TikTok username. Now here is my TikTok link. So now whoever just tap on this link, it will take him to my TikTok account. That's it guys on how to connect TikTok to Facebook. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.